BGP Weight Attribute by Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. An important topic in the field of networking.
Hello everybody, my name is Devashish Roy. I'm the Senior Network Trainer as well as Cisco Networking Specialist at the Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. And these are my contact information for LinkedIn and Twitter. Today I'm going to talk about BGP Weight Attribute. So BGP we already know is a path vector algorithm. So it uses different attributes to select the best path. First is weight. Weight is Cisco proprietary attribute. It is not exchanged between routers in different AS. So it is actually local to the router. It is actually configured locally to the router in a specific AS. And the path with the highest weight is preferred. So if there are multiple paths to the destination, then the path with the highest weight will be always preferred. This will be the topology for weight attribute. Say R1 is in AS1, R2 is in AS2, R3 is in AS3, and R4 is in AS4. Now, eventually R1 tries to reach the R3 via either AS2 or AS4. Now, the explanation goes as R1 can reach AS3 through AS2 or AS4. But the path through AS2, let's assume, will be chosen as a base path. So we have to set weight attribute for AS2 higher than the AS4. Say, for example, AS2 weight is set for 500 and that is higher than the weight set for AS4, that is 400. So eventually the path through AS2 will be chosen as the best path. Now this will be our network diagram, that is R1 is in AS1 and R2 and R3 all are in AS2. Now all the IP address is configured as in R1, that is 12.1, 12.2, 13.1, 13.2, and these are in 23 network. Now we have to configure the loopback interfaces for AS2 as well as R2 and R3 in AS2, that is 2222 loopback interfaces, because R1 will eventually reach the 2220 network either through AS2 or through AS4, that is router 3. Now we have to set the weight attribute greater for AS2 to reach the 2222 network. So we'll make loopback interfaces on router 2 and router 3. So this was the theory part, and now I'll show you how to configure it using Genesis method. So this is our topology. R1 is in AS1 and R2 and R3 both are in AS2. The IP addresses are configured like this: 192.168.12.1, 12.2, 13.1, 13.2, and 23.1 and 23.2. Now first make the neighbor relationship. Router BGP 1 and then BGP to give a router ID, say 1.1.1.1 for R1, you can give anything. And now neighbor 1 should be 192.168.12.2, that is R2. And the remote is 2, and another would be 192.168, that is 13.2, and the remote ways will always be 2. Now go to R2, go to router BGP and assign 2 and set BGP router ID 2.2.2.2 and neighbor one is 192.168.12.1 and remote is 1 and the other is 192.168.23.2 and remote AS would be 2. And we have to advertise the network that we have created the loopback, that is 2.2.2.0, and mask is 255.255.255.0. Now on R3, we do the same thing. Router BGP 2 and same BGP. Router ID 3.3.3.3. Neighbor versus R1, that is 192.168.12.1, not 12.1, that is 13.1. Remote is 1, and the other one is 23, 192.168.23.1, that is remote is 2, that is R2. And you advertise the network also, that is 2.2.2.0 and mask. Now you go to R1, and you give this command show IP BGP. Now you can see that 2.2.0 network is actually preferred by the 12.2, but I want that to be preferred by, say, that is 13.2, that is this one, via this one. Okay, this is preferred to as 12.2 this way, but I want it to be preferred as this way via R3. So we have to eventually make the weight attribute weight greater via R3. So you go to the R1 and go to config mode, go to router BGP, this number 1, and give neighbor, that is 192.168.13.2, and weight, that is 500. Put the value, and you again verify show IP BGP. Is it happening? 13.2. No, this is not chosen as the base path yet. So you have to do this clear IP BGP. You have to clear the BGP process. You have to restart the BGP process so that it chooses the base path again. So it is reset, and the neighbor is again off. So now again this command show IP BGP, and now you see that 13.2 is chosen as the base route. This is the greater than sign, so 13.2 is chosen as the base route. So this way we have set the weight, and you can easily see the weight attribute is here, and it is clearly seen as this is the base route. So that is it. I've shown you how to change the weight attribute, how to set the weight attribute, and I have also discussed it theoretically. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope it was informative for you, and if it is informative, then please like our channel on YouTube, and if you want more videos like this, then please subscribe our channel on YouTube also. So that is for now. I'll come with some new video next time. Until then, goodbye.